Hi, I will show you how to use superclient mode. On the boot page, open the context menu and click Enable superclient on the selected PC. Then, turn on that client PC. Now, go to that PC or use remote access to make changes on the image. Once all changes are made and the client PC is turned off, you can disable the superclient mode. If you want to save the changes to image, just enter the name of the restore point and click OK button. Wait until the changes are written to the image file. The time depends on the size of the changes made, and sometimes, it may take several minutes. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.